Hi, this is Roger Petersen. In this video, I'm going to discuss the Costa Rica corporation tax. And the reason for that is there is a lot of confusion lately because the National Registry has initiated a process of dissolving corporations that have past due corporation tax. The corporation tax law obligated Costa Rican corporations to pay an annual corporation tax based on whether they were active or inactive corporations. Subsequently, a lawsuit was brought in order to declare the tax on these corporations unconstitutional. The Supreme Court ruled that a portion of the law was held unconstitutional. However, in that same ruling, the court was very clear and specific that any past due corporation taxes were due and payable. So what does that mean? That means that payments for 2016 were not to be made. In other words, you did not have to pay the corporation tax for 2016 because that part was held unconstitutional. However, the outstanding payments for 2015, 2014, 2013 are due and payable because the Constitutional Court held that past due debts were not forgiven. It's going to create a havoc because we now are going to have a corporation that's dissolved, gone from the records. However, it owns property, it owns a vehicle. What's going to happen? Well, we don't have the answer to that yet. In the meantime, we also have a new corporation tax law that's currently pending in the legislature, subject to approval. A lot of people were assuming that with the new law, it was going to deal with notions of the past law, and some people took no action whatsoever, waiting for the results of this new tax law pending in the legislature. However, it appears from the actions of the registry that they're not separating out one from the other. They're taking action based on the ruling of the Constitutional Court on the old law, and whatever the new law says going forward, that's going forward, but not going back. In the screen behind me, you can see an example of the publication from La Gazette. I've included it in this video so you can see how these publications are taking place. For more information, you can go to my website at CostaRicaLaw.com. We have an article there on the dissolution process. We've also republished all the gazettes so you can check and see if your corporation appears on the list. I hope you found the information helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please go ahead and post them on the comment section.